Hi everyone. Today I'll be making peanut butter clusters. What all goes into the peanut butter clusters? 1 cup creamy peanut butter, 2 cups semi-sweet or milk chocolate chips. I've got the milk chocolate. 1 cup roasted peanuts, 2 cups Rice Krispies, 1 tablespoon coconut oil or unsalted butter, optional for smoother melting, pinch of sea salt, optional for garnish. So let's begin. Take a baking sheet and either line it with parchment paper or a silicone mat. And then set it aside. Take a microwave safe bowl. I do have a bigger size one because I'm going to be mixing everything in there. Dump in your 2 cups of milk chocolate chips and your 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter or coconut oil if you are using, and mix that up. The coconut oil will help the chocolate chips be a lot more smooth and melt easier. Put the chocolate chips in the microwave and microwave it in 30-second intervals, stirring between each until chocolate is smooth and melted. All right, so that took 1.5 minutes and it's nice and smooth. Then take your 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, put it into the melted chocolate chips. And stir that until evenly combined. Then fold in the 1 cup of roasted peanuts. And then fold in your 2 cups of Rice Krispies. And fold that in until everything is covered. Rice Krispies is so versatile. There's so many recipes out there using that. All right. Then take a small cookie scoop. I've got a tablespoon and a half. And then just scoop it. Looks pretty loose. Just scoop it on the parchment paper a little bit apart. I may need more than 1 cookie sheet. Then take a pinch of sea salt and just sprinkle a little bit of sea salt on each one. And this is optional. And then place the baking sheet in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or until set. After 30 minutes, we take the peanut butter clusters out of the refrigerator and put them in an airtight container. I have a bake pan with a lid. Then just take them off, put them in there, store it in the airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. If you don't want to use peanuts, you can use almonds or pecans. Then I thought that it'd be fun to top them with Reese's Pieces. They are set, but they're still a little bit sticky, so if that's the case, you can keep them in the refrigerator for a little bit longer before you move them to the airtight container. So it made 2 trays full. I'll count exactly how many it made in just a minute. Luckily, they'll all fit in here. I won't have to double stack them. All right, so it made 21 peanut butter clusters. Like I said, put it in the refrigerator and keep them up to 2 weeks, but I don't think they'll last that long. Dave will do a taste test tomorrow when he comes home. Here are the peanut butter clusters. Let's see what Dave thinks.
This looks pretty good. Kind of like Rice Krispies and peanuts or something.
It is peanut butter clusters. And it's got peanut butter, milk chocolate chips, peanuts, and Rice Krispies.
It's good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.